Hello friends, welcome to the channel of the square root method. Today we are here in front of you to find the square root of a 4-digit number and to explain step by step how to find out square root of any number by long division method. And the number we have today is a 4-digit number, that is 9025, of which we are finding the square root, that is 9025. So let's get started without wasting our time. So first of all, we will take the number as it is, that is 9025. After that, we will make a pair of this number from left side. Yes, that is we will take pair of 2 digits, like first pair is of 25 and the second one is of 90. Now from left side, our first pair is 90. Now we need a square number that is less than 90. So we know that the square of 9 is 81, that is just less than 90. So we will go with 81. We will multiply 9 with 9 to get 81 and we will subtract it. After subtracting, we will get 9. Now we have to take our last pair, that is 25, with 9 to make it 925. We multiplied 9 with 9. In the next step, we will add 9 with 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Now we have to take one more digit with 18 to make it a triple digit number, and that 3-digit number will be multiplied with the same digit with which it is becoming 3-digit. Like if we take 1, then we will multiply it with 1 itself. Now 925 has 5 in its ones place. We have to take that number only whose square contains 5 in its one place. Like 5 square has 5 in its ones place. So we will go with 5. 185 multiplied by 5. So after multiplying, we got 925. Exactly what we wanted. So 185 multiplied by 5 is 925. After subtracting, we got nothing. So finally, we found the square root of 9025, that is 95. Now we will check this out with the trick to find the square of a 2-digit number. So here we will find the square of 95. First of all, we will square the digit 5, and that is 25. Next, we will square the digit 9, that is 81. Now we will multiply 9 with 5 and then with 2 to get 90. Now we have to add 90 in 8125, leaving one digit from the right side, like from here. And we will add it. So after addition, we got 9025 exactly, of which we found the square root a few minutes earlier. So in this video, we learned 2 tricks: how to find the square of a 2-digit number and how to find the square root of any number by long division method. So if we have to write it with the symbol of square root, then we can write it as like this: the square root of 9025 is 95. That's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.